Yo, what's poppin', everybody? Welcome back to another video. So right now I'm gonna take out Pikachu on a walk. So he's excited. Come on. I'm excited for my birthday because this is gonna be my room. It's really messy right now. So yeah, come on, Pikachu. Let's go. Come on. Okay, this is really hard to put on right now. Because I'm holding the camera and everything. Let's go. Okay. Okay. So, you probably saw my last video. What should I call you guys? Like, I don't know how I should call you. Like, for example, like a big YouTuber, like, calls their, like, thing. For example, like Logan Paul Vlogs, he has Logan. What should I do? So, yeah, I'll see you after the walk. Guys, we are heading back home. It is so hot. Pikachu did all his business, and yeah, so I don't know what to do next. I don't know what to do for the vlog. Who knows? Guys, I just took a nap because I was playing with Matthew and I forgot my phone. So today I'm recording with my phone. My hair's really messy. So I don't know what to do with for the vlog. We might go to Dairy Queen though. So that's always good. So yeah. We are heading to Dairy Queen, as I said, because my dad just got home. So yeah. I'm going to head to the car. Okay. I see the car. I'm gonna climb the street in the meanwhile, if I can, with a camera in my hand. It's locked. Finally unlocked the door. So we are heading to Dairy Queen now. So I'll see you there. So I took off my hat and my hair's pretty good. So yeah, we're almost there, right? Like 2 minutes away, yeah. We're here, Dairy Queen. So, there it is. Just ate my Dairy Queen. Now we're going to Oliver's pool party. My friends are gonna be there, fans are gonna be there. I just posted on Twitter that I'm going to a pool party, and then I think one fan showed up. because I'm almost there. So I'll meet you there. We found this white thing. Guys,
I need my flashlight.
okay, guys, we're gonna come back, and then because we're gonna bring the flashlight.
She doesn't follow you.
Yeah, we're walking Pikachu right now, and right now we. Is that the white thing? Oh, I have my baseball mitt. Guys, we stopped at the parking lot. And right now Pikachu is roaming in a baseball, as you can see. Focus! Focus. Come on, Pikachu. Okay, guys. Guys, we couldn't find the what's it called? The flashlight. So this is gonna be the end of the vlog. Hope I see you tomorrow. Peace out.